Hey, this is Grand Garage 65. Changing the oil in our cars is one of the most common maintenance tasks, but many people get it wrong. You'd be surprised. Today, I'll cover the top 9 mistakes people make when changing their oil and how to avoid them. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the alert button so you don't miss any upcoming content. The first mistake people make is draining the old oil when the car is cold. Cold oil is thicker and doesn't flow out easily. Since old oil contains harmful particles, you want to get it all out. Draining oil from a cold engine, especially in cold environments, means not all the oil comes out and it drains slowly. The best method is to warm up the engine slightly, not to operating temperature, but just enough to get the temperature gauge off the cold mark. This way, more oil will drain out faster. The next mistake is not filling the new filter with oil before installing it. If you start the car with an empty oil filter, there are several seconds where the oil pressure is insufficient to circulate oil, which isn't good for the engine. Even if the filter is mounted on the side or uses a cartridge system, try to get as much oil into it as possible. Another common error is not lubricating the O-ring on the new filter before installation. Without lubrication, the rubber can catch on the engine's metal surface, preventing a tight fit. It can also make the filter hard to remove later. Always lubricate the O-ring to ensure a proper seal and ease future removal. People often over-tighten the drain pan bolt, which only needs to be tight enough to crush the washer and create a seal. Over-tightening can strip the threads on the oil pan, leading to potential leaks and engine damage. Tighten the bolt until it stops, then turn it slightly more to crush the washer. Similar to the drain pan bolt, over-tightening the oil filter is a mistake. Use the oil filter wrench only for removal, not installation. Hand tighten the filter after properly oiling the O-ring. This way, it will be easier to remove during the next oil change without needing a wrench. Overfilling oil is another issue. Too much oil can create excessive pressure, forcing oil past seals and causing leaks. Always check how much oil your car needs before refilling and ensure you don't go past the full mark on the dipstick. After an oil change, check the oil level on level ground. If the car is on a hill or jacked up, the reading won't be accurate. Ensure the car is level to get a true measurement of the oil level. After refilling the oil, run the engine for about 10 seconds to allow the new oil to circulate. Then, check the oil level again. This ensures you get an accurate reading and know if you need to add more oil. Finally, proper oil disposal is crucial. Don't dump used oil down the storm drain. Most towns have recycling programs or local auto parts stores that accept used oil for recycling. Utilize these services to dispose of oil responsibly. That wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.